Okay, just a little quick video here today. I'm wanting to save this chair because I really like it. I use it a lot. But these things are made cheaply. They have these little rivets in them. Like this one right here is the last one left. I had put this bolt through this one and it's too small, and it was working for a while, and then another one of those rivets broke over here on the other side. So all I had at the time was these two small bolts. And so today I decided I would go out and risk my life getting some good bolts. And I went to Lowe's, and boy, it was packed. You'd think nothing was going on. Anyway, I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I got these 1/4-inch bolts and some of those locking nuts. Well, let's see how this works. I've already drilled this hole out 1/4 of an inch. I did that when it broke the first time, and I only had one of these 1/4-inch bolts, and it was really too short to get the nut on it. So I went and bought some longer ones today. So I'm going to see how that works. So far, so good. You have to really fight these to get them. There we go. Well, I always have to drop it. If I didn't drop it, it wouldn't work right. So there, I got the nut on it. I'm not going to show you me tighten that up. I'm sure you all know how to do a nut. Okay, now I didn't tighten this up so tight that it wouldn't move. It still has to be able to move. But I did buy something else, some regular nuts. I'm going to put that up on here and tighten it up against the other one, because I'm hoping that keeping these nuts on here doesn't turn out to be a full-time job. So let's move on to this second one. Okay, so I drilled the second one out 1/4 of an inch. This isn't exactly right, but I don't want to take all day doing this. The reason I'm so interested in saving this chair is because the thing is comfortable, and I had a hard time finding one with just that right angle that I like. So I don't want to pitch this thing out. I thought I had it fixed when I replaced this front one that broke, but my dad used to always say that if you strengthen something in one place, then you weaken it in another. I don't know if that's exactly right. I don't believe the other place becomes weaker. I just believe it becomes the weak point, the new weak point. So now I've got 1, 2 of these done. There are 3 of them. Now this is probably going to be the new weak point. So I imagine in another week or two, this one's going to pop out, but I'm not going to take it loose until it does. If it wants to last, that's fine. That pack of nuts and bolts I bought had 6 in it, so I have several of them left if another one of these rivets decides to break. But anyway, now I can keep my chair, not throw it out, not spend another, I don't know, I spent 25 or 30 bucks on this thing. So now I've got 2 strong places. There's that third right there. I'm sure it's going to break. If it does, I'll replace it. So there you go. If you don't care when your chair breaks, then go ahead and throw it out and buy you another one. Me, I try to fix stuff. Now I've still got my $25 in my pocket. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.